Hi, I'm Randy Richardson with Michelin. We're out here in Post, Texas for a Gnarly Roots Tour with our guests from MotoSport. We're out here experiencing the new Michelin StarCross 6 tires, challenging our own skills and the tires, and experiencing what Gnarly Roots has to offer. Yeah, we're really excited to introduce the Michelin StarCross 6 tires. We've made advancements in performance and durability. When compared to the Michelin StarCross 5 range, the new range offers 11% improved durability, 16% improved traction when new, and 19% improved traction when used. It performs well into the life of the tire. All that is thanks to the Michelin silica technology as well as the Michelin adaptive design. Another one of the unique features of the Michelin StarCross 6 tire range is the Michelin adaptive design. So what we've done is improved the performance in a very specific range of application and terrain. They've come in 5 different options. You got the Michelin StarCross 6 hard, the medium soft, the mud, and sand. So the Michelin adaptive design will provide optimum performance in a great variety of terrain. We've been riding with the guys from MotoSport with the Michelin StarCross 6 medium hard, and we tried them in a variety of conditions out here in Post, Texas. This ranch offers some loamy, sandy, dried up creek beds, some really technical rocky climbs, a variety of conditions. It was 17 degrees, later it was 15 degrees. We rode in some snow, we rode in a lot of cool terrain, and the tires performed flawlessly, and we had an absolute blast out here with Gnarly Roots.